Good morning, I'm Phil Ernest from a wet, rainy Patagonia trail. This is day number 5 of a 7-day trek in Torres del Paine, Chile. Today's hike will be the shortest on the trek, starting at Camp Dixon, going east to Los Perros. It will be 7.3 miles or 11.8 kilometers. The trail I will be hiking today is exclusively part of the O circuit. Due to the rain, I got off to a little later start than usual. I started my hike at 7:15 in the morning. The hike starts out with a nice walk through the forest. But the downside is, with the rainy conditions, the trail is wet and very slippery, so proceeding with caution is absolutely necessary. After about an hour of hiking under the trees, the weather clears up a little bit to see the beautiful snow-peaked mountains. And now we get our first glimpse at Los Perros River. On the Patagonia Trail, its vibrant colors add to its beauty. From the green forest, a reddish decomposing tree, the snowy white mountains, to the blue river water. While hiking alone can be a little daunting, on the Patagonia Trail, it's comfort knowing the trail is well marked and easy to follow. Case in point, notice the red mark on this tree. There are all kinds of these markers throughout the trail, either on trees, rocks, or posts. Looking at that water reminds me to tell you, the water on the Patagonia Trail is mountain water spring fresh, which means no filtering necessary. Just put your water bottle under the water and fill it up. Periodically along the Patagonia trek, you will come upon these markers that will tell you how far you are from your next destination. According to this one, I'm 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles from my campsite, Los Perros. After hiking about 3 hours, I see my first glimpse of Los Perros Glacier. My anticipation starts to grow. The trails on the Patagonia trails are very clean and well maintained, but that's not by chance, but rather by careful planning by the rangers and the cooperation of the hikers. There are 3 rules they strictly enforce at all times. No fires started, pack out all the trash you bring in, and stay on the hiking trails. Anybody caught violating these rules will be subject to a heavy fine. At this point, I'm only a few minutes away from Los Perros Glacier, but first I will enjoy this waterfall. After hiking 4 hours, I arrive at Los Perros Glacier before the others come to enjoy the view. These are small pieces of the glacier that have broken away. After I rest up a little bit and take a selfie, I will then head on over to the campsite, which is only 15 minutes away. At Los Perros campsite, I will get a tent, sleeping bag, and mat, all for $69, or 55,000 Chilean pesos. If you're interested in making reservations, I will leave a link below. I'm 10 minutes away from my campsite and I came across this cute family of ducks ready to cross the river. I've now arrived at the campsite Los Perros. Thank you for watching.